When God makes you lonely, He's not taking people away, He's teaching your heart how to love differently. Watch this story slowly and feel what happens when loneliness turns into kindness. This is the story of Geeta, a woman who found peace not by having more people around her, but by giving more love to those who had no one. Because sometimes, when you feel most alone, God is quietly making you someone's light. There was once an old woman named Geeta, who lived in a small village surrounded by green fields and children's laughter. Her house was humble, her hands always busy. Every morning she lit a small lamp, whispered a prayer, and began cooking, not just for herself, but for others. Children would come running. "Geeta ma, what did you make today?" She would smile, serving food with love and care. Even the stray dog outside waited patiently, because kindness had a place at her doorstep. One day, her son Hari came from the city. He saw her working endlessly, cooking, cleaning, serving. He sighed, "Ma, why are you doing all this? You're old now. Nobody cares. You're wasting your time." Geeta looked at him with soft eyes and said, "My son, not everything we do is for a reason. Some things we do because they keep our soul alive. When I see others smile after eating my food, I feel close to God." That evening, a beggar came to her door. She fed him warmly. Before leaving, he blessed her and said, "May your kindness return to you when you need it most." Hari watched quietly, not realizing those words would soon come true. Months passed. Hari was back in the city, lost in work and meetings. One afternoon, a poor villager walked into his office, tired, dusty, trembling. "Are you Hari, son of Geeta Devi?" "Yes," he said quickly. "Your mother is very unwell. Please come fast." Hari's heart sank. He left everything, the files, the deadlines, the pride, and rushed home. When he reached the village, he saw something that shook him. Children were sitting by his mother's side, gently fanning her. Women brought bowls of soup. Men stood outside, praying for her recovery. The same people she once fed were now feeding her. Hari sat beside her. "Ma, are you okay?" Geeta smiled weakly. "I'm fine, son. See, the love I gave is taking care of me now." Tears filled his eyes. He finally saw what he couldn't before, that the love his mother gave away had built her own safety net. When she recovered, Hari said softly, "Ma, you can't stay alone anymore. You're coming with me." Geeta looked around her little kitchen, the familiar faces outside, and the laughter that filled the air. She nodded slowly. "I suppose it's time. I don't want them to worry for me again." The next morning, the entire village gathered to say goodbye. Children waved through tears. Geeta pressed her palms together, smiling through her own. In the city, days felt long and silent. No children running in, no laughter from outside. Just walls, empty and echoing. Hari noticed her quietness. One afternoon he said, "Ma, come with me. I want to show you something." They drove across the city to a big building that read, "Sunshine Home for Orphan Children." Inside, children were playing, eating, and laughing. Hari smiled. "Ma, I've spoken to the manager. You can help here, cook, tell stories, serve food. And when you're tired, they'll take care of you. Geeta's eyes welled up. She whispered, "You finally understand me." As she served food to a little orphan girl, she realized God never took love away from her. He simply changed where it needed to go. And for the first time in years, her heart felt full again. When God makes you lonely, He's not punishing you, He's preparing you. He takes away the noise, so you can hear what love truly sounds like. He empties your hands, so your heart can learn to hold differently. He removes familiar faces, so you can recognize the divine ones He sends next. Geeta's story reminds us, when you give with pure love, it never disappears. It circles back, in new places, through new people, in ways you could never plan. Because somewhere in your loneliness, God is rewriting the way your heart loves.